Have you ever dreamed of traveling back in time or stepping into the future to witness extraordinary events? If you had a time machine, what would you do? Would you go back to a pivotal moment in history, meet your ancestors, or fast forward to the year 3000 to see the world? Share your ideas in the comments below. Time travel, a concept that seems confined to sci-fi movies, is surprisingly backed by fascinating scientific theories. Can we really break the boundaries of time? And if so, what awaits us beyond those limits? Join World Mysteries as we dive into these captivating enigmas right now. If you find this topic intriguing, don't forget to like and subscribe to the World Mysteries channel. That way, you'll never miss out on any videos exploring the greatest mysteries of humankind. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Our next video might just answer the question you've been pondering. When thinking about traveling back in time, many of us dream of witnessing monumental historical moments that changed the course of humanity. Like the day humans first set foot on the moon or the golden days of ancient civilizations. Some might wish to meet their ancestors, see how they lived, or even attempt to change a past decision to create a better present. Unfortunately, altering the past is impossible. Why? Scientists have pointed out that any attempt to interfere with the past would immediately confront us with a significant paradox known as the grandfather paradox. Imagine this. You travel back in time to a point before your grandfather met your grandmother. For some reason, you prevent their meeting. If they never meet, your parents won't exist, and therefore, neither will you. But if you don't exist, how could you have traveled back in time to stop them? This creates a logical loop that cannot be resolved. This is why scientists believe that the laws of time do not permit any interference with the past. The past, in scientific terms, is like a finished movie. You can rewind to watch it, marvel at its pivotal moments, but you cannot edit or replace the scenes already set in stone. As enticing as the idea of changing the past might be, it remains firmly within the realm of science fiction, as time operates under unbreakable rules. So, what do you think about this paradox? If given a chance to time travel, what would you do? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the World Mysteries channel to explore more fascinating enigmas. What about the future? The future is like a blank canvas, where every decision and action we make shapes what is yet to come. Unlike the past, fixed and unchangeable, the future is a realm of endless possibilities. And according to scientists, there is a way to fast forward into the future, traveling at speeds close to the speed of light. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, when you travel at such extreme speeds, time dilation occurs. This means that time for you, the traveler, will pass much more slowly compared to those who remain on Earth. This isn't just a theoretical concept. It has been demonstrated through experiments, such as using atomic clocks on high-speed aircraft, where the clocks on the planes actually ran slower than those on the ground. Imagine two twin brothers. One stays on Earth while the other boards a spaceship traveling at speeds close to the speed of light for 10 years, as measured by Earth's time. When the traveling twin returns, he will have barely aged, as only a few months may have passed for him aboard the ship. However, his twin on Earth would have aged decades. The two brothers, once identical in age, are now separated by time. This phenomenon is known as the twin paradox, a fascinating example of how time behaves differently near the speed of light. Now, consider traveling to a planet 10 light-years away from Earth. At speeds close to the speed of light, the journey would take 10 years to get there and another 10 years to return, 20 years in total by Earth's clock. But for you on the spaceship, time would pass much more slowly, perhaps only a few months or a couple of years. By the time you return to Earth, decades will have passed, and the world you knew could be completely different. Loved ones, familiar places, and everything you once remembered might now exist only in distant memories. This isn't science fiction, it's grounded in the fundamental laws of physics. However, achieving such speeds requires an immense amount of energy, far beyond what humanity can currently produce. But if we ever overcome these limitations, the future might not remain an abstract idea. It could become a destination we can physically explore. Some scientists have proposed the bold concept of warp drive, a technology based on the idea of bending space and time, allowing humans to shorten the distance between 2 points in the universe without traveling faster than the speed of light. To visualize this, imagine a sheet of paper representing space. If you fold the paper so that its two ends touch, you could instantly move from one end to the other without having to traverse the entire length of the paper. This is the fundamental principle behind warp drive. Warp drive, also known as a space-time engine, relies on the theoretical concept of creating wormholes, shortcuts, that connect two distant points in the universe. Although this idea is currently confined to theoretical models, if humanity can develop the massive energy required to make it work, traveling to distant stars might no longer be a dream. Journeys that would otherwise take thousands of light years could be completed in mere moments. What about time travel? The ability to bend space and time also opens the door to exploring the possibility of time travel. One day, humanity might be able to revisit the past to reunite with lost loved ones, witness legendary historical events firsthand, or even correct mistakes that changed the course of their lives. Although this remains a distant dream today, with the relentless progress of science, who's to say it will always remain impossible? What we call science fiction today could very well become reality in the near future, as humanity continues to push the boundaries of knowledge and technology. What do you think about this daring idea? If you had the chance to travel through time, would you choose to revisit the past or leap into the future? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the World Mysteries channel for more incredible discoveries about the universe.